Chirp rolling percussion massager. So this is the chirp wheel that they have. It's different compared to the back roller. So this effectively massages all the body parts just like a machine gun. This is a comparison with the machine gun. Basically, it does about the same thing as a machine gun with everything. The only difference is like kind of the intensity. This is high versus like a machine gun is very intense. Other than that, this is how the box looks. It's nice, clean, elegant, simple. But comparison for a machine gun, honestly, just straight to the point, I'll prefer the machine gun over this. Just to get that out of the way if you don't want to watch the rest of the video. Basically, this is a piece. It comes with the roller and then the stand with it and then the charger. That's all you need. That's all it is. And it just sits right on top of it. Then you can use it for every type of movement you need or want to do. Or you can take it out and roll it yourself and massage all the body parts. Comes in 5 different speeds. So when you press the button here, it can go forward or reverse. Just depending on what you're massaging, what you're doing. It's really soft. It doesn't hurt or anything like that. It's like beads that are just rolling on top of you. So this is a speed adjustment. You just press the button here. You kind of hold it just to stop it. And then if you lift it up, it stops automatically. Turn it over. This button is for the forward or reverse, whichever switch you have it on. And this is coming back this way, so reverse. As you see, it's very gentle, very not hard. This button right here is how you press it. So if you're doing it manually without the stand, you just hold that and use it and just push it against your muscle area, wherever you need to. You actually do need somebody else probably just to put the force on it to get the muscles loosened and stuff. It's kind of hard to do it with yourself. This is with one hand, which why I prefer the machine gun, because you can hit the body part easily. It's easy, convenient, and it's easier to maneuver and move, and it's not as bulky. Honestly, the best thing I probably think I can use this for is just for your feet. It's honestly convenient. You sit on the couch and you just massage your feet, and it does really well on that. So I think that's what the main purpose, I think the use of this is for. Not massaging the body parts and everything. I can probably just use a machine gun. But for the feet, it does really well, and it feels really good, honestly. And you can just easily store this on the couch or something like that. They had pictures of this, like massaging your arm muscles and stuff like that. But I don't think it does as well. You really have to apply force and stuff, and it's just too bulky and too heavy and stuff like that. So that's why, like with machine gun, I can get this. I have the mini travel one and the regular one, the therapeutic, and you can just hit the body muscle part that way, or you can have somebody do your back or anything. It is pretty bulky and it's kind of heavy. I would say it's not easy, but other than that, yeah, it's all right. 5 out of 10.